Mexico, a country known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning landscapes, has a wealth of fascinating facts that make it a truly remarkable nation. From ancient civilizations to modern achievements, Mexico offers a diverse tapestry of information that is worth exploring. In this video, we will delve into 10 amazing facts about Mexico, shedding light on its uniqueness and importance on the world stage. Ancient civilizations. Mexico boasts a remarkable historical heritage, with the Aztec, Maya, and Olmec civilizations as its cornerstones. The Aztecs, in particular, created the grand city of Tenochtitlan, which is now Mexico City. The Maya, on the other hand, left behind intricate calendars and impressive architectural wonders like Chichen Itza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Biodiversity Hotspot. Mexico is one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries, known for its astonishing biodiversity. It ranks 4th globally in terms of the number of species, hosting numerous endemic plants and animals. The monarch butterfly, for instance, migrates to Mexico in the millions during the winter, a spectacle that captivates both scientists and tourists. Gastronomy. Mexican cuisine is renowned worldwide for its delicious flavors and diverse dishes. From tacos and enchiladas to mole and tamales, the range of culinary delights is astounding. UNESCO even recognized Mexican cuisine as an intangible cultural heritage, acknowledging its significance in global gastronomy. Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo, celebrated on May 5, commemorates Mexico's victory over the French at the Battle of Puebla in 1862. Contrary to popular belief, it is not Mexico's Independence Day, which is celebrated on September 16, but is still widely observed, especially in the United States. Tequila and Mezcal. Mexico is the birthplace of both tequila and mezcal, two renowned spirits made from agave plants. These beverages have gained international acclaim, with tequila even having protected designation of origin status. Tequila, in particular, is a symbol of Mexican culture and heritage. Diverse landscapes. Mexico's topography is incredibly diverse, ranging from lush jungles to arid deserts, and from pristine beaches to towering mountain ranges. The country's landscapes offer something for every traveler, from the serene beaches of Cancun to the rugged terrain of the Copper Canyon. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Mexico is home to numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, showcasing its rich history and cultural significance. Some notable sites include the historic center of Mexico City, the pre-Hispanic city of Uxmal, and the ancient city of Palenque, each contributing to Mexico's unique identity. Day of the Dead. Dia de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, is a deeply rooted Mexican tradition that honors deceased loved ones. Celebrated on November 1st and 2nd, it combines indigenous beliefs with Catholicism, creating a colorful and meaningful holiday filled with ofrendas, altars, sugar skulls, and marigolds. Art and artists. Mexico has produced world-renowned artists such as Frida Kahlo and Diego Rivera. Their contributions to the world of art, particularly in the realms of surrealism and muralism, have left an indelible mark on the global art scene. The Frida Kahlo Museum, located in her former home, is a testament to her enduring legacy. Chichen Itza and the Equinox. Chichen Itza, one of Mexico's most famous archaeological sites, features a pyramid known as El Castillo. During the equinoxes, a fascinating phenomenon occurs when the play of light and shadow creates the illusion of a serpent descending the pyramid steps, symbolizing the ancient Maya's connection to astronomy. Conclusion. Mexico's allure extends far beyond its stunning landscapes and delicious cuisine. It is a country steeped in history, culture, and traditions that captivate the world. From ancient civilizations to modern contributions, Mexico's unique identity continues to shape its global significance. These 10 amazing facts about Mexico only scratch the surface of the wealth of knowledge and experiences that this remarkable nation offers to those eager to explore its treasures. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't miss out on any of our content. You can follow us on YouTube, Rumble, Instagram, and Facebook. To learn more about Mexico, check the description of this video. Have you ever been to Mexico? Then share with us your experience in the comments.